Hello, everyone. Welcome to Signable. My name is Swin,
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Charlie.
and our friend Michael, who unfortunately could not join us today. We'd like to present to you Signable, an American Sign Language learning website. Have you ever wanted to learn ASL but did not know where to start? Then check out Signable. This is a great starting point for ASL enthusiasts from all walks of life to embark on their journey of learning ASL. Our website aims to serve a wide range of users, whether you are a student who's eager to expand their means of communication, or a professional looking to improve accessibility in their workplace, or someone who wishes to better connect with their special needs loved ones. You can start doing that today with Signable. The website provides you with fun, lightweight, interactive lessons that make learning ASL easier and more accessible than ever. We also integrate computer vision solutions that recognize users' hand gestures and motions, which allows users to practice signing in front of the camera and receive instant feedback on whether they did it correctly. With the curriculum focused on teaching the ASL alphabet and the potential of expanding to cover a wider range of vocabulary, we believe Signable is the tool that any ASL beginner would find beneficial. Now I would like to hand it off to Rachel to show you how our website works.
I'm Rachel. I'm going to show you guys a demo of our web application called Signable. So you're first brought to a landing page, which you can either sign up or log in. Sign up page is pretty self-explanatory. I already have an account, so I am going to log in and my information was already saved. There's also a bunch of settings like remember me or forgot password, and if you don't have an account, you can register. I'm just gonna log in. And once I log in, I am brought to the dashboard. And at the very top, it gives me all of the units of American Sign Language that I have to work on. Currently, I'm on Unit 1, and you can see my progress is 16%. I am just going to click on that unit, and then I have a bunch of lessons I have to go through for each letter of the alphabet that I'm currently learning. So the introduction is letters A through C. On the left, you can see I'm given how to sign the letter A. So this is teaching me how to do that. And when I hold up my hand, you can see it's correct when I correctly sign the letter A. And this is the letter B. And you have to hold it for a few seconds so it knows like you're accurate at signing. This is the letter C. So after the learning portion of the lesson, you are asked to sign each letter without the 3D hand model as a little guide. So if I recall from memory, I can sign the letter A and the letter B and the letter C. And then there are also different forms of questions such as multiple choice. So this one says, which is the sign for A? And let's say I do that. And unfortunately I was wrong. So it's going to add it to the end. And then we also have matching questions. So you have to match each letter to the right hand sign. And then once you complete a unit, you get a congratulations notice. And you can see that, for example, today my daily goal was to complete the letters A, B, and C. And now that is highlighted because I have completed that. And since I did log in today, the daily tracking feature highlights that I was logged in today. And then on our dashboard, on the sidebar, we also have the profile, which you can see all of your information. You can see statistics such as a daily streak or how many lessons you've completed. For example, I've completed A, B, and C, so that's why it says number that I've completed one lesson. There's also a settings page where you can update your information. So if I wanted to change my name or username or email, I can easily do that. And there's also a friends feature, which allows you to add and remove friends, and you can see when they started like on the app or since they've been learning American Sign Language. For instance, my one friend has finished the course, so that's exciting. And you can see Matt has currently been studying ABC's number 2 in unit number 2. You can remove friends and you can add friends. So if I wanted to add a friend, I can just search for them very easily. And then you're able to see when they join the platform and what unit they're currently studying in. So you can celebrate and see where you are in comparison to them. So that's pretty exciting. I'm going to hand it off to Charlie to explain the more technological side of the system.
Okay. Thanks for that demonstration, Rachel. So now I'm going to go over the tools that we use to develop our project. So our web application front end was created with React. Our RESTful API was created with Fast API, and our application is backed with a MySQL database instance. We used OAuth for user authentication. We validate the data passed between our API and our database with pedantic models, and our API documentation is done through Swagger. Lastly, our front-end API and database are all hosted with various AWS cloud services. Here's a diagram of our hosted website's architecture. Our front end is deployed with AWS Amplify, which provides a streamlined CI/CD pipeline connected directly to our front-end's repository. Our API is hosted in AWS Lambda function, served through an API Gateway API. The Lambda function is hooked up to an RDS instance containing our databases and an S3 bucket containing our website's assets, such as the images and computer vision model. As shown in the demo, one of the central aspects of this project is the hand tracking and gesture recognition. To accomplish this, we use Google Pipe's MediaPipe hand landmarker task to track and process key points on a user's hand, as shown in this video here. We then use TensorFlow libraries to apply transfer learning to the MediaPipe task and train it to recognize signs in the ASL alphabet. As you can see here, the model is recognizing the signed letter A. All right. Finally, here are some brief statistics for tracking our software practices throughout this progress. As of this writing, our API consists of 35 documented endpoints covering user functionality, lesson functionality, and site management, such as updating and adding lesson content. We use GitLab to track and version our project, and throughout the course of this project, our team has closed 125 issues across 413 commits. We also performed a number of user studies over the past 4 months, where we invited the same groups of 6 to 8 people in during several stages of the project to give feedback on our UI, lesson presentation, general bugs, and other issues. All right, this has been our project. We'd like to give a special shout out to our professor, Aaron Wood, for the massive help he's been and for his continued support throughout the course of this project, helping us work through issues and get things done. And thank you all for watching our presentation.